Good morning, guys. It's Dave Santarelli here from BreakingChartAlerts.com. I wanted to do this pre-market video, let you guys know what's going on this morning. So first off, we have jobless claims. Jobless claims came out. This is the first time jobless claims. So this is basically people that lost their jobs. They're filing for unemployment for the first time. 837,000 people across the United States filed for unemployment claims versus 850,000 the government was expecting. So that's 13,000 less than the government was expecting, which is great news. As you're seeing, the futures are taking off. Pre-markets are up really nicely. The only thing is continued claims, and that's one issue here. Continued claims are much lower than expected, still pretty high though. U.S. continuing jobless claims for September 18th are 11.767 million. So 11,767,000 versus 12,300,000. So that's about 500,000 people less on unemployment than what they were expecting. Previously, it was 12.628 million that were on continued claims. So a big drop of over 1 million there on continued claims. That's great news. And as you're seeing, as a result of that news, the markets are climbing higher here. Now, the only thing I'm worried about next week is Disney just cut 28,000 jobs, and now American Airlines just announced that they're cutting 19,000 jobs this Thursday when the federal payroll support expires. So that's one thing to worry about next week once we're looking at options. Obviously, if you're looking at trades, that's one thing you want to keep in mind next week. There's already an additional, 50,000 right there that we could be expecting just from American Airlines and Disney. So everything's starting to look good, and markets are continuing to climb. Everything's looking good on the watch list here. You can see we're really taking off here. Carnival Cruise Line's taking off again. Take a look at CCL. Carnival Cruise Line's continuing to break higher there. It's up about 2% today. Salesforce, we were talking about that yesterday. Nice climb there on Salesforce, 254 a share. See what Facebook is doing. Facebook pretty flat here in the pre-market, not giving any data yet. It's actually at 265. I don't know why it's not coming up here, but Facebook's at 265 a share here in the pre-market hours. There we go. 265.24, breaking that 50-20 SMA. And if you could take a look, what else do we got going on down here? NVIDIA, Google, let's see, Google's having a nice climb from yesterday. What a climb on Google, 1485, and they came out with Google TV again. So yesterday we jumped into some Google calls, and Google's taking off here today. So that's going to be a nice trade setup for us, looking good. And let's see, anything else here? Tesla shares are moving higher. Let's take a look at Tesla. What else do we have? Tesla's up about 2.6%. Nice climb on Tesla. 450 is going to be some resistance on Tesla. We'll take a look at. Let's see, what else do we have going on? Silver. We have a silver trade for going into the election, silver and gold. Silver's having a nice little spike there. It's consolidating, holding that 2150 support. That's great. Nike. Nike's continuing to climb. I want to see a break above 127.25 on Nike, and then we're going to be looking for that 130 next week on Nike. So great start to the morning here, guys, and I'm looking forward to getting started here. We'll look for some day trades and possibly some swing trades for the October 16th monthly expo. SPY is looking great. SPY's taking off. Dow, Diamond ETF, nice climb here. We got 285 resistance on Dow, Diamond. 28,500 on Dow, 285 on Diamond ETF, and Qs. As you can see on Qs, I'm going to be looking for that 290 target probably next week on Qs, as tech was the biggest sell-off during that drop here. That was about a 9% drop from Qs from the highs down to base support here about 260. So we're climbing off the lows here. We got the MACD cross. We're looking for that 1020 SMA, simple moving average cross. Histogram is looking good, and looking forward to the day, guys. I will see you guys in the trade room. If you guys want to get signed up, you guys could go to breakingchartalerts.com, get signed up, and all you have to do is go to join now, log in, and see our membership plans, and come join us, guys. We had class yesterday. That's going to be posted on the website under education, and all those classes are recorded and there for you. So if you'd like to come join us, go to breakingchartalerts.com. Trader is just for the morning trading session. Pro Trader is for the morning and afternoon. Elite Trader Pro, you get the app, you get the trade challenge, you get the morning, afternoon text alerts, and obviously it's much cheaper there, paying for the year. So hope to see you guys in the trade room. Here's our features. You could keep scrolling, see what we do. And when you want to come join us in the trade room, just go under live trading, click live trade room, and it will take you right to our trade room. All righty, guys. And then our trade alerts are going to be right here for you guys to see exactly what we got into. It's amazing. And download our app, Breaking Chart Alerts, on Android or your Apple App Store. So I'll see you guys in the trade room, and I'll be live shortly, probably about 20 minutes. Have a great day, guys. God bless. Stay safe, and happy trading today. Good luck. And guys, make sure, please, if you can, go to our channel, our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button, click on like on this video, and share it on social media. That'd be a great help for me. Thanks, guys. Take care, and I will see you soon.